What's up, everybody? Just gonna show you my 3-set strategy. Basically, it's just placing trades around a second apart. And the point is to get you in the flow of the market and to tell your body that it's okay to lose and just to relax and to trade and have fun. Because anything you do in life, of course, has to be enjoyable, has to be fun. So just go about it like you're having fun. And what you're aiming for is just understanding where the market is going and where is it gonna turn around. That's pretty much it. So every time you throw in a trade, you're kind of like, oh, seeing how it's gonna react, seeing what it's gonna do. Because with the 5-second charts, it's pretty, volatile. Yeah, I mean, like even sometimes it looks like it's going one way, and then it just takes another split second, and then it goes the opposite direction, right? It's a 5-second chart. So that's where it's kind of handy just to throw 3 trades in, like all around the same time. Sometimes you get crushed doing it, but it's a really fun practice, and it helps improve your way of thinking, looking at the market. I've noticed. Because like before, I was always trying to get that really good sniper entry. Like boom, like, oh, when's it gonna turn? Okay, now, get in. Which is great, but it's like, I found it pretty mentally taxing not being able to get those trades all the time. So with this, it's like not as accurate, but you can get to the point where you're profiting because like you're using those principles I just talked about. It helps you to just get in there, get with the flow of the market, feel when that certain chart is turning and what it's doing. So highly recommended. Yeah, so that's the 3-set strategy. Kind of not really doing it justice talking trading, but it's really just that simple. You're just placing your trades 3 seconds apart, giving yourself time to react to the market and time to react to all the visual stimuli coming in so that you can make a decision. Yeah, trading is really just probabilities, right? I'm sure you've heard that before. And this really helps a person to understand that it is just probabilities. Yeah. So that's the end of 5 minutes. We're at about 1350. I think we gained a little bit of profit, just kind of doing it haphazardly, and you can do a lot better. So hope you guys got a little bit of gain out of this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, but most importantly, just comment. Just let me know what you're thinking. Keep in touch. Make some videos for yourself of your recording journey, and I'll check them out, and we can grow together. So peace, everybody. Bless.